Good morning to all of you. I welcome you all for the day 2 session on interactive e-content. Today we have the two sessions. From 10 o'clock to 11:30, we are going to learn creating digital posters and certificates handled by Mr. Simon Peter Paul. And second session starts from 11:45 to 12:30 on creation of interactive e-content part 1 by Mr. Srinivasan from Universal Digital Academy from Tirupattur. So I want to give a small instructions. Tomorrow afternoon we have a special session on Padlet. Actually, we have planned the sessions only in the morning. So tomorrow afternoon, Wednesday, we have a special session from 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock. The session will be handled by Dr. Jayakrishnan from IIT Madras. He is a senior scientist. Yesterday only he has given the consent to take the classes on Padlet. So it is a very good software which is useful for creating the interactive content as well as how to handle the content and how to conduct the examinations and valuations, just like our Google Classroom. It is a different kind of product. It is also the free software. It's available in both the versions, Windows version as well as Android versions. So we are going to create one activities for tomorrow afternoon as instructed by Dr. Jayakrishnan. So there are 260 participants in our workshop now. So we are splitting the 260 into 10 groups, and each group will have the 26 participants, and each group we are assigning one leader for that group. Okay. So and regarding this, I will send one Google form. So you have to fill up that Google form by 1 o'clock itself today. It's a very simple Google form. Your name and your college name and your willingness to participate as a leader for that group. Okay. So based on that, we will prepare a team. The team will be communicated to IIT Madras. They will handle the session tomorrow by 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock. I request all the participants to make use of these facilities. They are coming for exclusively to take classes for us. Okay. So now our today's resource person. Today our resource person, Mr. Simon Peter Paul is with us. Now I hand over the session to Simon Peter Paul. Before that, I request all the participants kindly mute your audio and video. So if you mute your video, you will get a more bandwidth also. Even small signals, you can get a stable connection. Okay. So kindly mute your audio and video and don't press any presenter button during the presentations. It's my humble request. Thank you. Now I request Mr. Simon Peter Paul to handle the session. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Yesterday we have received around 130 assignments. Thank you for showing interest. And today we are going to learn how to create digital posters and certificates. Generally, when we want to create some posters for some festivals or some events in our college or in our school, we depend upon some data entry operators or some other persons. So we think of we need some softwares to create, but there are some wonderful websites where we can create excellent posters, attractive posters using those websites. Today we are going to learn how to create digital brochure within 5 to 10 minutes. Please note it down. The website name, Canva, C-A-N-V-A. Please note it down. The name, website name, Canva, C-A-N-V-A. .canva.com. Okay, now I'm going to the Google. I'm typing CANVA. While typing, please ensure that you are not typing canvas. CANVA, Canva. Okay, after clicking Canva, you will be getting this page, and I'm clicking on the Canva. You will be getting into this page. Next. Now you have to sign up. Click on the sign up. You can sign up with your mail. Write your name and then email address. And your password. And then I'm starting. So it says the account already exists, so I'm going to log in. See the procedure for to create a content, to create the poster. You have to go for the sign up and then create an account. And after that, you can sign up with your Gmail or any other mail account. Now I'm going to log in with my account. Okay, when you log in, when you create a free account, there will be a screen asking, are you a teacher or a student or a business? You can click for the teacher. Since I have already, I'm having an account, so I don't have this one. I will be getting this screen. You will be asking so a pop-up menu will be coming. In that it will be asking, are you a student or teacher or a business, like that. You can go on with the teacher or educator, and after that you will be getting like this screen. To your left side, you will be having this option, create a design, home, all your design, templates,
ఏదైనా కనిపిస్తుంది.
photos, apps, and other things. Here there is the option. Here the search box is given here. Here you can go on search for anything.
ఇలా కొడితే
The first item is created design.
అంటే నేను
Let me zoom a bit.
చూపిస్తున్నా.
Here the work schedule planner, certificate, YouTube thumbnail, and then posters. I'm moving here. Under these headings, you will be different types of templates. Even for YouTube channel, or you will be having for book cover, you can design. CD album, letterhead, menu, newsletter, calendar, postcard. So you are having different types of headings here.
ఇవన్నా
Now today we are going to see how to create posters. So I'm clicking the poster, click on the poster. Then I'm getting different types of posters here. So I will be getting different types of posters here.
డిఫరెంట్ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్
Okay, so clear. Okay. Here you will be getting different types of headings. So I'm going to edit this one. If I want to edit this one, when I am moving here, it is mentioning here at the bottom, it's free, so that you can customize as you wish. And I'm clicking on this one. It opens into the new tab. So I'm doing again. After opening, here you will be having some confusion. After opening, there are two ways. Here you can simply type for poster and you can click enter. Or else here there are some options in the headings. Under the headings, you will be thousands and lakhs of templates. You can use that one. Now I have clicked on the poster, and in the poster I selected this one, and then when I click this one, I'm getting into a new tab. Microphone. Yeah, microphone. Just a minute. Just a minute. Am I audible now?
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you. Please mute your microphone. Saranya ma'am, please mute your microphone. I think, am I audible now? I think someone hasn't. Saranya ma'am, please mute your microphone. Okay. Now I have opened this tab. In the tab, I have got this screen. Yeah, okay. Now I have opened this one. To my left, you could see these items, templates, photos, elements, text, music, videos, background, uploads, and folders. We will explore this thing later. Right now, here to my left, here you could see the different types of posters under the different category. Here the coronavirus poster. If you want to see, you can move this arrow, and then you will be getting, if you want more posters, you can click on it. And then this one is event. Even after getting into here, you can select any type of posters as you wish. You will be having different headings. Okay, here you will be having different types of headings. Even here you can click this tab and search for any, suppose if you need for certificate, then click on certificate. Sorry, it's in the posters heading. In what heading you will need, you can see it. Now closing this one. I think till now you are clear. Now here I'm having this content. If I click, see here, I'm getting some lines, some borders. If I want to zoom this one, At the bottom here, see the percentage is given. I'm clicking on it and I'm clicking the fill. See, let me do it again. Now it is like this. If I want, I can change the percentage. My personal opinions go for the fill option so that you can move and do. So here I want to change the content. If I click on it, at the top you will be getting this type of menus. The first thing is, I think these three text or sorry, the three text are merged together. So I want these three text to be ungrouped. See here, the option ungroup is given. If I click outside, you will be having this item. Here, if I click here, I'm getting the ungroup option.
Sorry, your screen is not visible.
My screen, but I think it's visible.
But maybe
I think it's switch your microphones. Yes, thank you all.
உங்களை select பண்ண சொல்லுங்க. P1 select பண்ண சொல்லுங்க. P1 presentation select பண்ண சொல்லுங்க.
Please select the P1 presentation. Please select the P1 presentation so that you could see. Okay. Now I'm having like this. I'm clicking here. I'm just clicking here and then I'm clicking the option ungroup. Now I'm clicking outside. Now I could select the teacher. I can move this one. If I want, I can move this one and I can move this one also. Now I'm undoing. See now, if I want, I can move this one. Okay, here if you want to change the text, you click here and then women's polytechnic, right? Women's polytechnic college. Now I have typed Women's Polytechnic College. Okay, here the corner, see here some option is given, the round symbol. That means you can enhance its size. See here, and this side arrow I can change. I can move. If I click this one, I can move anywhere. If I want to increase the size, I can move like this. I'm going a little bit slow. Please bear with me. Okay, now I have changed. I can also change the size. Here at the top, you could see the okay, இல்ல நிறைய பேர் அதான் மெசேஜ் பண்றாங்க. Just wait for a minute. I'm sharing my screen.
Bhavani, Madam Bhavani. உங்க மைக் ஸ்பீக்கரை ஃபுல்லா குறைக்கலாம். நான் இன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ஷன் கொடுக்குறேன். குறைச்சிருக்கேன். Dear participant, please don't click the presenter option. Please don't. Bhavani Prabhakar. So I have removed Bhavani Prabhakar. See, don't press the presenter option.
Shall I continue? Whether my screen is visible? Earlier, sir.
Bhavani Prabhakar, please don't press the presenter option. Bhavani Prabhakar,
No, sir.
But not you are visible, but not the screen.
Yes, but I'm sharing my screen. Let me do it again.
Screen is visible. There are multiple outputs. Certain persons assigned yes, certain persons not. Yes, not huge.
Wait. Now, I think now it will be visible. I hope it's visible to everyone. Okay. Here, I'm clicking here. The Women's Polytechnic, you know how to change. And the option, see here. Here you can select the font style. And don't click on this crown icon. This one is for pro version. We are going to use the free versions. So don't select these crown options. That is for pro. You can select font. I'm happy with this font. I can increase the size. See, I'm increasing. See here, the Women's Polytechnic in the first line and the colleges are the second line. So I can move this one by clicking here, and then I'm increasing the size, and then I can move. See here, some pink color dotted lines are there for adjustment, for alignment. So now I have aligned, right? I think till now you are clear. I want to change this color. I'm not happy with the color. So what I'm planning is, I'm clicking here. Sorry, I'm clicking here. And here the A alphabet is given. That one is nothing but the text color. I'm clicking on it. And I'm going for the pink. I can select any color. Okay. I'm going with this color. I think till now you are clear. Next, here I'm going to change. Double clicking it. I'm going to change creation of interactive e-content. Now I have typed creation of interactive e-content. But this type, someone has muted the microphone. Okay. Now I'm having the creation of interactive e-content. As I already said, you can click at the borders and you can reduce the size, and you can also reduce the size by going here and clicking some size. I'm clicking for 80. It's very small. And now I'm okay with that. I can move. When I move, I'm getting some lines. See here. So this one is at the center. To align at the center, I'm aligning. Now I have got this one. If I want to change, I can move there and I can click the text color, and then I can change into this color. Okay. If I want to change here, the same procedure, and I don't want this one. I am not happy with this. You can click this one. Here you could see delete. You can do it in this way, or you can click here and simply delete, press the button delete from the keyboard, and it gets deleted. See here, whatever changes we are doing here, see here, it's mentioned here, all changes saved. So all our changes are saved automatically. And I'm moving down. Here I'm changing. If I wish here, what we have did, the first day is finding, copy, music, and creation of posters. Creation of now I have typed 3 items. I want this one to be justified to my left. See here, the alignment option is given. I'm giving again. Okay, I'm selecting this one. Now I'm giving. See, I can move like this. If I want, I can move it to my right and align center. Now I'm going to reduce its size. I want these things to be in one line. Okay. If I want this one to be in bullet, now I am changing. I think till now you are clear. Okay, I have made some changes. I'm happy with that. To download this image, now I'm clicking here to fit, to see the changes. Okay, I'm happy with this. Now I want to download this. Here the option, see here the down arrow, like drop down menu. I'm clicking here and I'm going for the option download, and then the file type is given here. I click again the drop down menu, that's the down arrow. If I move up, see here, quality image. Suppose if you are going for to share, suppose if you are to share these posters only through digital medium, then you can go for the PNG and click on the download, and then it gets downloaded automatically. See here, it gets downloaded. I'm opening it. See here, the quality is not that much good. Maybe for digital, it is okay to share in your website or through social media. I think this one is okay. If you want to put a flex in a big size, then go for this option. Again, click this one and then click on the download option and click here and go for the PDF print high quality. So if you want to give, if you save it in a PDF format, then if you give it to the flex where you could print, the quality will be good. I'm downloading this in the PDF format.
Is there any provision to change layer?
Yes. Yeah, I will explain how to change. See here, now I'm zooming. See the quality. I think till now you are clear with that. Yes, that I will tell you. Here there are lots of okay. I think till now you are clear. Again, I am doing some changes. Okay. Now I have done this one. I am clicking this board. I am not happy with the board, this color, I'm not happy with the color of this board. When I click here, see here, when I click here, I'm getting some color options here. See, I'm not satisfied with this green. I click on this green, I can change into black or any color I can change. Okay, I'm going with the black. Just for example, I'm doing. And then if you want to change the border, click here and see. If you want to change this one. Okay, now I have changed. Okay. If I click here, the options will be given here. Again, if I want to change the background, click here. See here, I don't want this red line. I want to change the color of the red line. What I will do? See here, the option is given. I click on this color. I can change this one into blue. See, it gets changed. And then I want to change the background. I click on the background, this white color. See here, I'm clicking here. And then I'm changing. If I want to change it to gray style, then white. Here I am changing into red lines, and I'm changing the blue line into yellow or gray, blue, black. You can change everything. Like this, you can change. Okay. Suppose this woman polytechnic I'm selecting. I want to change its color. I'm clicking here, and we are having this much colors. I'm not okay with this, satisfied with this color. If I need some more color, here the option new color is given. If I click this, I get different types of colors. I can move. I want to change into green. You can move and select. I want this one to be in red. I can change its color. The same thing here. I can also change the font. It's in Cabin Sketch. If I change the font style will be changed. I click on the Cabin Sketch. Again, you could change. Here I am changing this one into red, blue, pink. Okay. I can move it to the center.
Without lines means how to do so. I template today basic also.
Okay. Now I have done. So this one is all about the background. If you don't want this background, select this one, click delete. The background will go off, and then you can add some color, plain color. If you want to undo, here the undo option is given. I'm clicking. As usual, to download, the procedure I have told you already. Click here this one, and then go for download. And it's your wish whether to go for PNG or whether for PDF print. Then download, it gets downloaded automatically. Okay, I'm closing this one, it gets automatically saved. Again, I'm moving here. I'm moving down. I'm going to change use any. Okay, here I am opening this one. Then it opens into another tab. I think so. Okay. The first thing what we should do, yeah, you can change, go for fill option. Okay. Now you can change the items. When I clicking here, see, I can move this one. See here, when I move this, now I can see the word. See, the other items are moving. Why? Because these text are grouped together. So the first item, ungroup. You can ungroup, you can change the text. That you all know, right? Here I don't want this photo. I'm double click. This one is grouped.
Also add a photo on it.
I have taken. Okay. I want to change the picture. See here. I want to change the picture. I can move. If I double click, I get the image. I want to change the image. You can get images by searching the photos. And this one suit in this. So there is option upload at the bottom. See here. I am moving down. Here the option upload is given. I click on the upload. Here upload an image. Upload an image or video. Please wait until the end of the session. Sure, the doubts will be automatically answered. So I'm going step by step. I will give all the answers, all the doubts will be clarified. Here I'm clicking upload an image option. And then I'm moving. Okay, I'm adding Ainstem, which we have downloaded. So it's getting loaded. See here, it's getting loaded and it's loaded. I'm moving and I'm placing here. See, just. If I want to place the question, double click on it. I can move him. See here. Let me do it again. What I did is I clicked on this uploads and then upload an image or video. And then I selected one image and then it uploaded. Just I'm moving here. If I move here, it goes automatically, it get fixed here. If I show there, and then I want to move him little bit down. So I double click on him and then I'm getting this. I think you will be clear up to this. I will teach you all the options. Okay, if you're clear till now, ping me a message. Just type yes, then I could move. Thank you. Okay, till now you are clear. Just I'm reducing its size. Okay, till now I have added. Suppose if you want to add some elements, I click on the elements. The elements, it's nothing but the shapes that you can use here. So while selecting this one, please ensure that the free option is given. Suppose if I am using this image, just I am giving example. Okay, let me show. Suppose if I am using this image, I can reduce the size. I can also change the colors, which I have told you earlier. Click here and then change the color, and then click here, change the color, and then you can change the color. This you know, I think so. And then I'm closing this one. In the elements, you could see different types of items. If you want to add some patterns here, just I have taken this one. I am reducing its size. And I am reducing its size. Then I keep here as a design. Here the image, I want this one to be in light, little bit light. See here the option transparency. I press, I change the transparency. It looks like it mixed with this design. See, let me do it again. I delete this one. I'm going here and then I click once, it automatically comes here, and then I move and I reduce the size. And then I keep here. If you want one more copy, just Control C, Control V, you will get another copy. Don't do this before itself. First you fix this one. You match this one to the background color. You click this one and then see here the third option. This one is portion that you will explore on your own. And then see here, I am changing its pattern. I think it seems to mix with this. And I can also change the color. I think white will suit. All right. Again, I am clicking here and I am going for the transparency. Can copy and then paste. Again, I am copying it and I am pasting it. See, the pattern now has changed. See here. If you don't want, you can click and simply delete. Okay. Now, I'm clicking on the fill. If you want to change the background, this color, click here. You can change to any color. I think this is the best color. If you want to change this background color, click here and then go and change. If you need more color, click on this new color and then you can select. And then to download, what is the option? What we should do? Yes, click here and click on the download and PNG or in PDF format and click download. It gets downloaded automatically. Right. I think till now you are clear. And then you can also get background. Here the option background is given. I click on this background. You can add the background. See? See here. Let me change it to 50. See here, I am changing the background by selecting the background colors. If you don't want, then I can click on the color, this one. See, now what I did is, first I told you how to add photos. These photos you can add. Just right click here and then see, it gets changed automatically. I'm going to, okay, now I have changed the photos, how to add photos I told you. And then the elements, you have different types of elements here, shapes and pictures, and then hand-drawn animals. You can add some animals if you wish, and you can reduce its size. Okay, when I am moving, see here, this one is getting moved. I don't want this one to be moved. I fixed here, whenever I am moving my mouse, see here it gets automatically moved. So I can lock this one. I click here. See here the option lock. I click on it. It gets locked. It will not be moved. See, I can select only, but I can't move this one. So whenever this I donation also moving, just I'm clicking here. I'm going and lock, putting the lock. Now see, the I donation cannot be moved. I can move the dog alone. I don't want to move this one also. I put lock. Now I moving this one. And you know the procedure that how to change the color. You can change the color. And then the next option is text. I will explain you about the text. It's very easy. Just click the text. Which type of text you need, you can select. While selecting, please ensure whether it's free. Welcome little one. I'm clicking here. See here, I got this one that you can add. Because if you want only this welcome little one, then what we can do? You have to ungroup. See here, everything is grouped here. I'm ungrouping. Now I can move. I can move this one and I can move this one. If I'm okay with this, I can use this. If I don't want, I can delete. If I don't want this one, I can delete this one. It's locked. I open and then I click here and I do delete. Now I'm opening, expanding this one. Welcome little one. To change the color, now I'm changing. Okay, if you want to change the dots, so it's mixed with lots of colors. I am changing. So everything you have to select and change. You can go with different types of colors. See here the changes you can do, or else if you don't want, you can simply delete this one. If you want to undo, here the option is undo is given, and you can do this. I think you are clear till now the tools what I have said, so that we can move on to the next one, certificate. In that I will tell you the additional features, the next features, because I want to go step by step. I think till now you are clear with the tools what I have told. If it is clear, just send me a message. Yes, if you want me to repeat, I can repeat again. Okay. Let me do it again. I told you about how to unlock. See here, I click this one. Here the lock, I locked, I can't move. The same procedure, I click here, I'm moving here, and I click unlock. Okay. Now, I want to tell you one more thing here. I want 2 more pages. Here the option given, copy page, so that you can duplicate the page. This one is add blank page. Okay, what happens? Let's see. I click the add a new page. See here, I got new page. I can delete this. See here, I'm adding. I can delete. Here the option, copy page. I can get the same format. Here I can make some changes. Lock. Just I'm changing. I'm changing the image. It's locked. Like I'm unlocking. I can change the image by going the uploads. I'm dropping. See, I have changed. I can change here. I can change this background also. See here, this one is another color and this one is another color. And then I'm moving to the fit. I think till now you are clear. Okay. So it gets automatically changed. Saved. I'm closing this one. Again, I'm moving here. I refresh. See here, I'm moving. See here, the option all your designs is given. I click on all your designs. So these are the designs which we all have created. Now you can click here and then you can make a copy. And you can also share this with your friend so that they can also work. That I will tell after some time. And then if you click on this, create a new design. And then here the custom dimension is given. You can give the dimension. So I am getting the dimension. Here some of the dimension is given. You can select here and this is the dimension. See here, I will repeat you again. If you want in a specific size, click on the created design and select this custom dimension and you search for certificate. In that dimension, you will get the certificate options. Let me repeat it again. See here. I want to create a design. I click here. And then I'm adding the custom dimension. And I'm typing this gift certificate. See here, I'm getting the formats. This one is in the dimension. I can give gift certificates to my friends. And closing these things. Okay, you can do in this way. Right. Now I'm going to create a certificate. For that, first click on the home. And here I'm typing certificate. I click on the certificate. So I'm getting these items. I'm happy with this. I click on it. I got this certificate. Now, see here the edges. Here the borders in what size? Here the border are as with big borders. So I can click here. I can change the border. See what I'm doing, how I am doing. I can move. Now the border is okay. I'm clicking this lock. Now this one will not be moved. I'm unlocking it. See, it gets moved. So I'm locking it. See, and I want to move this one. I'm moving. Here I could change. I click on its color. I click here and then I change into blue. I'm not okay with it. This also I'm not okay. Then I click here. Okay. I can also change its color. I think this one is good. Okay, this will fix. I click here. Again, I click click this one. Okay, click here. Then I click here. Click here. Again, I click this. Now I have changed the colors. Now I can move this one. Why it is moving together? Yes, it's grouped. I click on this. Okay, let me click here, and then I ungroup it. I can group this one. See, I click here, and then I do like this, and then I'm grouping it. Why I am grouping it is, so I could move this one together. See, let me do it again. See, here I have ungrouped everything. You see, now if I move this one, see, everything is moving. See, this one is separate and this one is separate. Since it's white, it's not visible. So now I'm undoing it. Right? Now I'm adding, moving, I'm dragging like this, and then I'm grouping it, and I'm moving here to the top. I can expand. I'm expanding this size. Okay, here the option. Now I want to give some logo here. In this logo, I want to put some text. To add text, here to the left, there is an option, text. I click on the text. Just I want some subheading. I click this one. I'm getting. Just I'm typing Women's Polytechnic College, WPTC. I will type in capital letter, WPTC. I want to fix this one exactly there. Right. To fix exactly, I could zoom. Again, I'm zooming into 125, 200. Now I'm moving this one, and I'm changing its color to white to match, and then I'm reducing its size. I'm increasing this size. I'm selecting this one and making this one bold. See how I'm changing. Now I'm going here and clicking on this fill. See, it fixed. Now certificate of appreciation, I can change into this color. Then I can change this one into this color. I can increase its size. If we want to rotate the option, you can rotate. If you want the text to be in this format, see here, you can do like that. I'm moving here. Now you can change the name, this and all, you know. And if you want to move this one, you can move it down. Again, if you want to add some other things, you can add. To add some images, you all know the procedure. Click on the upload and add some. Okay, I'm adding this one. I could add this one like this. You all know. So I'm removing it. I know. I think you understood a bit this much. And now what I'm doing is moving up. Here the option share is given. I could share to my friends so that they can copy it and they can edit. You can send the source file So suppose if I'm sending it to myself. And then you can send so that they can also do edit. So they can collaborate with you. I have said. Right. Okay. Here some options are given, the videos. You can create some video templates. You could also add some music. So in certificate, we are not going to add. I will teach you one more item. Okay. To add a new page, what we should do? Here the plus option is given. And here also you can click. And you click here. You will be getting a new page. If you don't want this page, delete this one. You want a copy of it, click duplicate. You will get 2 pages, 1 and 2. And you can make changes. How to download? Move here and click on here also you can download. You go here and then select the download and go for PNG or PDF format. Okay. I think till now you are clear. If you are clear with the certificate, so that I will tell you how to add videos, or shall I repeat any other tools in that which I have taught? Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, I think till now you are clear. I'm closing this one. It gets automatically saved here. See here, all your designs. It's not loaded, so you have to refresh. See, the thing which we have printed, sorry, which we have created is here. And then I'm going to add some home. I'm clicking on home. And I click on this gift certificate. And okay, I will go for this. Here I want to add a video. Click here. If you want any background, see, the background will be moving. Let me do it again. If you want to not want this one, click on delete. So I'm having like this. Suppose if you want some background, see, I'm going for this. I am moving here. See here. Let's see, I play here. Ah, okay, it's playing. Just how to download? Download as a video beta. It's having 12 pages. Okay, let me close the remaining. Now I'm downloading. Okay, let it get saved. So it's preparing the design. See here what I did is just I'm going there. I'm clicking this one. And just I'm going here and then adding videos. Sorry, video. Just I'm clicking on video. I can increase the size. See, I can edit the text. See here the thing which I have downloaded. See, it plays like a video. Okay, and then if you want to add music, you can add some music. I added some music. See here, I clicked to play this one. Okay, I'm adding this music. I added music, and then I'm adding some text. Epic music. I think it's color to white. Okay, I'm downloading. See here, it downloaded. So likewise, you can create content. You can create in a video format, and I have some already. I told you how to insert videos, and then here the video. You can go there, and then you can add. And if you go for more, you can also add from outer. And then here the upload option is given. You click here the videos, upload a video. If you are having some video, I got a question that how to upload a video. Here I'm having, go for uploads and upload a video which you have. I don't have video, I think so. Huh? Downloads, I had some video, no? Right. Okay, yesterday I downloaded the Lotus Flood. I'm opening it. I'm waiting until it gets loaded. And it loaded, sorry, it's getting loaded. So let it get loaded. You can add video. Yesterday we add this one. I'm playing it. Let me change how to, I'm removing. I'm adding some music. And see. Now you can download. See, it's getting uploaded. See here. Okay. And then you can click download and you can do. And someone is asking about how to group and ungroup. I will do it for you. See here, this one is separate and this one is separate. I can move. See. Now what I'm doing is I'm clicking this one and then I'm clicking this one. I'm pressing the shift button. I click this one and I'm pressing this shift in the keyboard and I'm clicking this one. Here the option is group. Now I grouped. When I move this one, so both the items are moving. See here. If you want to ungroup, click this one, ungroup. Now you can move separately. I think till now you are clear. And there is also another website called Crello. Please note it down. It's very similar to Canva. You can explore it. It has lots of free like this free templates, you can use it. Even in the Canva, you can create some brochures, wonderful brochures you could create. Okay, let me see, let me show you. So I am typing for brochures. See here, you can create for your college, for the conferences and seminars, you could use this one. Please use this brochure option. Sure, it will be very useful for college. If you click this one, it will be having one or two pages. Generally, it has 2 pages. Brochures will be having 2 pages. You can go there and create. See here, you have different types of brochures. You can move down, and you will get different types of brochures. And you can select, these are all the brochures are free. See here, no watermark symbol. Please note it down. And now the another one is Crello, CRELLO, and then Poster My Wall. It has watermark. Suppose if you want to create instantly, you go for Poster My Wall. It has some of the templates will be having watermarks that will be in small size. The Crello, it will not be having any watermark, and the Poster My Wall, and these 3 items are very useful to create a digital brochure or certificate. I will show you some Poster My Wall, some of the templates from Poster My Wall, and I will also show you the Crello. Crello is very similar to Canva. I type down Crello and I am opening this one and I start for free. I'm looking for templates. Wait, let me, I have an account with it. It's very, very similar to, okay, I click here. This one is Crello. See here, this one is Canva. The same options will be given here in the Crello. You can select any template and you can edit and download. Right. And I think you are clear with this. If you know Canva, you can easily work on Crello. So both are having the similar options and then similar setup, and you can work on it. And then the next one is Poster My Wall. Poster My Wall. It's also very easy to create. You no need to sign in also. Just go there and I'm clicking. And you can't download in PDF format here. So these are all the free templates. Here I am typing for online kits. Okay, just I'm typing for kits. I'm getting the brochures. I click here and then I customize template. Just you can move here and you can change the item. Here it is, you have to unlock. Now I'm typing. I can change the admission. Just I'm typing. You can change, you can move. If you want to move, here the unlock option is given. You can move. You can't move this one because it is locked. I'm unlocking. You can move. The only easiest way how to download. See here they have given the Poster My Wall that you can cut it off. See here this small icon. If I click download, it gets downloaded automatically. You don't need to sign up also. Then I download. The quality will be a bit low. You can use it for social media and other things. Not everything will be having watermark. So since it has more images here, it is having some watermark options. I think till now you are clear with this Canva, and Trello is very similar to Canva. If you are having any doubts, you can post now. You can ask in the group. If you are clear, just give me a method. No doubt. Browser is very similar. You can easily work on it. Sir, doubt है क्या? Adding watermark. So why we need to add? Okay, I will give you one example. Adding watermark is very simple. Just I'm opening one item. Sending on the message part. Okay, here I'm having this one. I want to add watermark. It is very easy to add a watermark. Just click the text. I'm typing. Woman.
Is there any option for place folders? Folders to take in the name. Folders இருக்குன்னு நினைக்கிறேன்.
Folders இருக்கு. அது வந்து pro version. Okay. Here I'm having. I want this one to be watermark. Just move like this.
தமிழ் டைப் பண்ண முடியுமா?
Yes, you can. Wait, I will show. Here the transparency option is given. Give the transparency. It looks like watermark. That's all. See, it's very easy. Click here and go for the transparency. Already I have taught you with the image. No, that leaf I showed one leaf. No, in that I use the transparency option. It looks like a watermark. You can do. Generally the watermark. Yeah, the watermark. If you want bold watermark, you can do. I think I can go for white. So it looks like watermark. See.
So in certificate designing, can we create multiple copies with automatic ending option?
That cannot be done here. This one is for creating brochures. That you can do it using the Certify EM. That is an add-on. Certify EM and Autocrat. So these add-ons are for the spreadsheet. You can do it using the Google spreadsheet. Go to the Google spreadsheet and you create the name and then the designation and then the content you have to create. And after that, you create a template, certificate template in Google Slides, and then click add-on from spreadsheet. So that is the different one. Yes. Digital certificate. Equal certificate certain creation. So that will be a different one. Size of the printout, see here, I already told you. I repeated again. Click on the home. Sorry. Okay. Create a design. Click on create a design. And here the custom dimension is given. Click on the custom dimension. Screen visible as well. Here you give the width, whatever you like, and then the height, whatever you wish. And then you will be having the size like this. And then you will get the templates. Yeah. and then you could get and you can use. Sir, that cannot be done. Here they are giving. No, we can't do merge two videos. That can be done using the video editor. The best idea is you do, yes, you can give hyperlink also. Please explore on your own. அதுதான் அந்த சவுண்ட் difference between PPT and posters. How could I differentiate? PPT is different that we are going to present. Generally, we are using the PPT to create some animations. Actually, the main purpose of the PPT is about to present what we are going to present that are converted into digital format. So when is the break? Sure, at 11:30 the break. At 11:45 we will start the session. I think it's time up. Sir, please. Yeah, you can use your native language. Just 1 minute, sir. I'm typing Google Translate. Google, typing. That's all. You can also add your own regional languages also. Just you can go there and then translation. See, I added. So you can also use your regional language. I think it's time up. Thank you, sir. Yes, I thank. I thank Women's Polytechnic for giving me this wonderful opportunity, and especially the coordinators. And thank you a lot. Hope we will see you tomorrow.
So dear participants, now let's have a break. Again, we will assemble 11:45 for the second session on creation of interactive e-content brought by Mr. Srinivasa, Universal Teachers Academy, Tirupattur. The small announcement: we have shared on Google form regarding tomorrow's activities in our group mail. Kindly fill up the Google form and submit it by today's 1 o'clock. And now we are sharing the same Google form in WhatsApp also. Kindly fill up it. A small 2-3 details only we are collecting. So we are organizing activities and we are going to create a groups. So kindly fill up it and submit by the 1 o'clock. Thank you. We will meet again by 11:45. Thank you.